discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of Alex's system. I didn't get a whole bunch of information about his system because I actually met him at a prior show and he gave me a whole rundown. I already put that link in the description if you want to see the prior video. I'll tell you all the details about the system as well in this little quick talk around. That was the thumbnail of the time of the previous video I posted about a year ago. Recommend you checking it out. He showcased his system at the Team Deadly Hurt show in Virginia of 2021. TDH show. So Alex has in his system 4 of the SSA Evil 18-inch subwoofers in an 18-volt system. The box is tuned to 47 Hertz. This is actually a 4th order bandpass enclosure wall build built by Roth on Team TDH. It's 4 18s and a 4th order. On the amplifiers, he has 4 of the SoundQubed 4500s at half ohm each. And get the trick, this is actually an 18-volt system, so really powerful. I remember him telling me he clamped over 20,000 watts when he did a full burp, and it broke right at around the 160 dB mark outlaw when he burped it. So pretty impressive, and his mids and highs are SoundQubed mid-range and SoundQubed tweeters and speakers. Being an 18-volt system, I remember him saying these were JY Power lithium battery bank, probably around 120 plus amp hours of the 18-volt systems. And being that the amplifiers are at half ohm, he's definitely getting all the juice out of these amplifiers. So even though the amplifiers are rated at 4,500 watts, that's at the 14-volt range. Running it into the 17, 18-volt range is going to give him a lot more power, around 7,000 to 8,000 watts per amplifier. And of course, after rise impedance, he said he clamped around 20K on the burp. Being this is a 4th order enclosure, you can tell because of the sealed section is where the cones are facing inward. And this view of this clip is actually the ported section. Didn't get the exact specs of the ratio, but it's probably around a 2.5 or a 3-to-1 ratio 4th order. So we're going to go ahead and get to the cardio bass demo now. I know y'all are here to watch more information. Sorry I didn't get very much information. I hope I shared everything. Be sure to comment and let them know what you think about his system, as well as hit the like button. We're going to the demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily videos coming your way every day on JacobViral for cardio demos. Enjoy the demo.
Thanks for the demo.